It's a rainy day, and as I'm walking, there are not many cats around, but look who's following me where I met. Hi! Look at this orange kitty. Look at this lady. Hi! How come you're completely dry? How come you're completely dry? You've been hiding? You were hiding, and as soon as the rain stopped, she came out. Oh, so nice to meet you. Look at you. Look at you, lady. You love your food. So do I. I love to eat. I know. Don't be. No. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You decide how you want muffins. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah. You want love, but you want to decide how much and how. I see you've been spayed. That's good. You're retired. No more babies. You're enjoying the babies that are already here. Look at you. So nice to meet you on this rainy day. Somehow you're completely dry though, which I don't totally get, but that's fine. You were high. Oh. You're feisty one. You're attacking me, but you don't have your nails out, which is good. You're just trying your boxing moves on me. Perfect. Okay, you're saying stop all this talk. Just give me my food. I'm hungry. Come on. Come on, let me. Nice to meet you, kitty kitty. Nice to meet you, little lady. Precious lady, we love you.